Guys, uh, we returned here at Mount Fatu. Actually, this is the best time to take pictures on Maligong rice terraces. The best time to make the color more green naturally through your eyes and camera. You see, to wait for the rain to come first, then if the rain will stop, then go to the right spot and take a picture. I assure you, it is more better. Oh, time check. It is 1 p.m. So I don't know, 50-50. Maybe I will just go with my plan, because my other plan is to go to the right spot and take a picture of that rice field. But I think it is better to stick with my plan. Just go to the up to the upper mountains more. So the rain comes again. That white one, those white ones are rain, starting to rain again. So I need to stay here. I need to record at least 3 and 30 minutes here. I mean 3 minutes and 30 seconds before I go to Mount Kupapui again, because I just arrived here from Mount Pukis, because I need to resume my recording on my application, because I stopped my activity. So this is what it looks like here in Mount Fatu. And this is where we set fire. Actually, we can hide there if we don't want to get wet for the rain in that area, and then that area also. But I think we need to continue going now. So guys, I'll update you again. Maybe 2 more parts, 2 more recordings. I'll record more 2 parts. So I end the video here and continue going to Mount Kupapui. I'll update you if I'm already in Mount Kupapui, then start going down again, going home. But I need to hike to the higher mountain. Guys, please watch the other part.